Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing remedy that will help you to fight those cracked heels and get rid of those damaged heels. Okay, now this ingredient is amazing, it's very strong, and I'm sure you've actually never tried this before. Let me take you right into this video so you could see it for yourself and try this out. Okay, now you can also use this ingredient onto your palm. It's going to help to soften out your palm, it's going to help to soften out your legs, and it's going to help to heal your cracked heels. Okay guys, so let's go. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And alright guys, so for our cracked heels I'm gonna be needing this, and this is garlic. Now do you know how good garlic is when it comes to cracked heels? It helps so much in healing your cracked heels and make it go really fast. Now it also helps to maintain your heels and make it not crack. So we're gonna be needing some few cloves of garlic, this particular treatment is for people that already have their heels cracked. Okay, so if your heels are not cracked, you might not necessarily need this particular one, but you can still use it to maintain your heels from cracking, because it's so embarrassing to see that your heels will now begin to crack up and look ugly. Right guys, so this is the garlic, and now I would have to be using a grater to grate it because it's actually tiny. So after creating it, I'll have to be transferring it. You have to transfer it into a bowl. And here we have it. So the very next ingredient we're going to be using for this will be sugar. Now sugar is a great remedy when it comes to healing your heels and removing cracked heels. Sugar is an amazing remedy that helps so much to scrub out the skin pigments and the excessive skin on the skin, leaving it smooth and clear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar into this. Mix it up with the garlic. So here we have it, and now the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of will be baking soda. Okay guys, so if you're having problems with your heels are cracked, you need baking soda in your morning routine. Okay, because baking soda helps so much to scrub out dead skin cells. It helps to scrub out the dead heels and make your heels super soft. So we're going to be putting just 1 tablespoon of that, and then we mix it up dry. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of will be Coca-Cola. Now have you actually used Coca-Cola to clean stuff in the house before? Like, go try it. You're gonna see the amazing wonders it does to cleaning stuff. Now using it on your heels, especially when your heels are cracked, it helps so much. So that's why we need Coca-Cola for this particular ingredient, and we're not going to be putting just too much. I think that is enough, so that it will make the ingredient too watery. So now I'm going to be mixing and stirring and mixing and stirring and mixing and stirring. Now this particular ingredient, you can actually use it for your crack heels and your palm. If you have dry palm, okay, you use it there, and it's going to get softer and it's going to get healed. So I'm actually going to be using it for my palm, so you can go try it using it on your knee, because right now it's difficult for me to bend. So you grab this and then you rub it onto your heels and onto your palm. Okay, first of all, you have to rub it through, let the ingredients actually touches everywhere. What it will do first of all is that it's going to help to soften it up, going to help to soften everywhere. Okay, so after which you rub it like this, then you can play around with it for a little while, okay, before you start scrubbing. So this is how it is, and what it does now, it's not going to give you any tingling sensation or whatsoever. So what you do is that you start scrubbing. If you're using it for your palm, you just put your hands together like this, you scrub. Now there are particles which is from the baking soda and the sugar. The particles are what is going to aid in scrubbing your heels, okay? So if you have sore or wound at your heel area, you can just first of all apply this and leave it for the first day. Then the second day you apply it and leave it. The third day you start scrubbing, because it's going to heal the wound really quick. So you scrub everywhere. So you scrub for about 3 minutes, 2 minutes to 3 minutes thereabouts. Okay, not so much of it. Now if you're using it to scrub your heel, you can assist it with heel scrubber, those rough stuff. You apply this and use that heel scrubber to heel sponge or heel scrubber to scrub it all off, and you're good to go, guys. This is actually going to help you to scrub out your heel and make your heel really, first of all, it's going to heal your crack heels. Second, it's going to make it soft, and third, it's going to prevent it from cracking. And for your palm, it's definitely going to make it soft, because it's going to actually help to penetrate into your palm and softening your skin at your palm area. Okay, so that's basically how you're gonna do it. You can repeat it, you can make this treatment and keep it, and then you can repeat it like every day. You can just keep it in your toilet or in your bathroom, and then you can use it every day or every other day, and your heels, your palms are going to get softer, because the more you scrub it, the more it will go soft. So I just finished washing my hands. Like, you need to feel my hands right now. It is so duper soft. Go try this out. I'm sure you're going to be loving it. It is so duper soft. Now imagine you doing this every day. You're gonna know that it works really well. So that's it. Your crack heels will be gone. Your rough hands, your thick palm will be gone. Like literally your hands are gonna get softer, and your palm, your legs are going to equally get softer. Okay, so go give this a go, because I'm sure it's gonna be effective. And don't forget to always try this out at least 2 times in a week, and your problems are solved. Like you can literally just make this and store it in your washroom, and every morning you use it to just wash your leg, and your cracked heels are gone for good. So that's it, guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.